Hello viewers, we'll be going over Xpxl and Xbxs. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis for Xpxl. Today we're down 8.3% on the 1-hour chart. We're at oversold on the RSI, and we have also reached to negative MACD. We also breached below the 200 moving average, this green line, so that now acts as our resistance if we do manage to reverse higher. And that resistance price is at $58.38. As for the 4-hour chart, what we have here is we're at oversold on the RSI as well, and we have reached to negative MACD. We also managed to close below the 200 moving average, this green line, so that will act as our resistance to the upside. As for the daily chart, what we have here is we are no longer at overbought on the RSI, and we saw a divergence back on Friday. And as for the moving averages, we are resting right along the 50-day moving average, and that may act as our temporary support. However, I do want it to test around the 200 moving average range, which is around a price of, say, $49.84. So for the trade idea of the week, my position size for Xpxl will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be $323.81, slightly below where we have the 200-day moving average, around this range right there. As for my sell target, that will be $338.11. That is this range right here, and that coincides with previous support levels. And since we're below support, that now acts as our resistance. As for the stop loss, that will be $319.05. So the day-by-day probability model is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 50% chance for Xpxl to climb between 0 to 8.7%. And on the extreme case to the upside, a 7% chance for it to climb between 8.7% to 17%. And to the downside, a 43% chance to fall between 0 to negative 8.7%. So now let's examine Xbxs. What we have here is it did close above 8.3% today. As for the 1-hour chart, what we have here is we are at overbought on the RSI, and we're in positive MACD, as it is an inverse of Xpxl. So right now we're at overbought on the RSI, and no signs on diverging or still in positive MACD territory for Xbxs, and we are closely approaching towards the 200 moving average as for the 4-hour chart. If we expand that further onto the daily chart, what we have here is we're no longer oversold on the RSI, and we finally saw a convergence on the daily MACD. So let's zoom in onto the 4-hour chart. What we have here is for the trade idea of the week for Xpxs. My entry will be $5.68, fairly close to where we have the 9-moving average on the 4-hour chart, around this range right there. And my sell target will be $6.18. So fairly close to where we have the 200 moving average. That will be my sell target. And my stop loss will be $5.53. So now let's examine the day-by-day probability model for Xpxs. So what we have here is, as we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, a 50% chance to climb between 0 to 7%, and a 7% chance to climb between 7% to 14%. To the downside, we have a 43% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7%. So if you enjoy this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.